Welcome back. Like we've been pointing out, the global market is going through a bit of a risk-off. The SGX Nifty is down 91. Yesterday, the market recovered quite a bit, almost came in the green, and then had that second decline. Mitessh Thakkar and Shrikant Chouhan now joining us. Good morning, Mitessh. Has the texture weakened now? Is this now a sell-on rally market instead of the buy-on dips, or is the larger impulse still to buy the dip?
Morning, Anuj. My understanding is that this is not a directional market. We are still in that contracting phase, and we have been there since for about 3 to 3.5 weeks now. And broadly, if you see, during that time we have had two highs, one at about 17,965, the other one at about 18,015. So just about 50 points apart. That's only 0.3%. And broadly, holding around the 17,400 marks. So it still looks like a broader consolidation range. I don't think I'll be looking at directional bias because a lot of volatility indicators, directional indicators are still flat. So I think this market will continue to amble around at least till till the next few days, which is about 5 to 6 days at least, and then we might get a directional bias. So for the timing, the idea is that as you head towards the lower end of the range, try to look for long positions, which is closer to about 17,500, 17,400 zones. Go long. Closer to about 17,850, 900, start booking profits. And if you go slightly higher, maybe even attempt short. So that's the way I think traders should approach the market.
Okay, that's a wide range. And Bank Nifty, Mitessh?
Yeah, on the Bank Nifty, I think the Bank Nifty made a fresh high and then is now giving a pullback to the earlier high. So this 40,300 to about 40,000 zone is a very important zone. If that holds and we get a reversal, then I think the Bank Nifty will be the first index where I would attempt a low. But I think this 300-point range should hold out.
What about individual stocks then? What are you looking at?
I have a mix of buy and sell calls. Couple of FMCG names on the buy list. Britannia is a buy with a stop at 37.75 for targets of 39.50. It's been a buy earlier as well. HUL is buy with a stop at 26.70 for targets of 27.45. On the sell side is ONGC. Keep a stop at 131. Look for targets of 122.5. And Muthoot Finance is a sell with a stop at 1,031 for targets of 975.
Okay, Muthoot, I mean, what a reversal it's been. It used to be the strongest NBFC after Bajaj Finance, and all of a sudden, just one of the weakest stocks that we have right now. Both Muthoot and Manappuram, actually. Shrikant, good morning. What is your index trade, and if you could give your stocks as well?
Good morning, Anuj. Good morning, everyone. I think, see, for the Nifty, multiple headwinds are not allowing the market to cross the level of 18,000. And till the market is not breaking the level of 17,400, where the market is having ultimate support, we are going to see range-bound activity. In case if we see the market is breaking the level of 17,400 in a hurry, then we may see the levels of 17,000 or 17,150. But till the market is above 17,400, we are expecting market to remain range-bound and we need to focus on stocks. For the day, specifically, we are going to focus on mid-cap IT companies because the currency is depreciating and the dollar index is above the mark of 111. So in that space, we like Coforge, which is currently around 3,400. There we can keep stop loss at 3,350. The stock is forming double bottom sort of formation. And most of the time, whenever we see some weakness or specific weakness for Indian rupee, we see some activity in mid-cap IT companies. So Coforge, we are expecting to move towards 3,600. And on the short side, we are expecting HDFC to come down to the levels of 2,350 or 2,330. Currently, it is at 2,400. We should be on the shorting side, on the selling side with a stop loss at 2,440.
All right, Shrikant, thank you very much for that. And Mitessh, thank you very much for joining in as well with those trading ideas. We'll take a quick break here. We'll come back with a pre-open that's about 6 minutes out. And we have a big guest joining us. Kaushik Chatterjee of Tata Steel is going to be with us to talk about the merger of the 7 Tata Group metal companies with Tata Steel, the rationale behind this and what from here. Stay tuned for that interesting conversation in just a bit.